Hello everyone. Basically, today I'm gonna talk about the second important skill, that is problem solving skill. Basically, the thing is, I already talked about it in some or the other context in my previous videos. But yes, the skill is really, really very important for you people, for everyone, not only you people, whoever it is, for me, for everyone. It's a very, very, very important skill. Understand my point? And not so tough. Every skill is a practice. Always remember. Practice. Now you'll not come up with the problems, go into the uh, uh, go into the mouth of the shark and then create problems and then say, yes, I'm doing the practice of problem solving skill. No. Yes, small problems when come into your life, how you react to it, that is nothing but problem solving skill. So basically, solving skill. First and foremost advice to each and everyone is from me. That's what. Don't be don't create problems, like don't go into the problems by yourself. Like don't be the one who creates, because of you only the problems have been created, and then you only go into that I can say uh, that level where you have to solve the problem, then leads to a very big disaster or something like that. First, you should understand that, ask yourself, are you the problem creator or solver? Solver, let it be, but are you the problem creator? If not, then yes, obviously you have to be the problem solver, and if you are, it's very good. And if you have to enhance the skill, you have to be more and more perfect in the skill, then yes, this video is for you. But before that, ask the question that, are you a problem creator? And if yes, mark my words, if yes, it's okay. Now you won't be, right? Now you got to know that, हाँ भाई, मुझे आज पता चला कि प्रॉब्लम क्रिएटर हूँ. मैंने I've seen, मैंने all problems देख ली पिछले वाले past problem. उसमें जो की idea I got, that is nothing but that I'm only the problem creator. मेरी एक गलती की वजह से पूरी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हुई, and last two problems also the same happened. Just you have to check your past problems, and then you'll understand who was the problem creator, who was the problem solver, who was the problem influencer, who was the problem, etc, etc. And if you are the one, it's okay. हो जाती है इंसान से गलती भाई, but you got your problem, you got the reason, you understood your mistake. Carry on now. That's the time for you. Okay. And yes, let's go into the depth of problem solving. Problem आती है. Okay. Problem comes. What you have to do? Identify the problem. I mean, I'm sorry. The thing you have to do is like define the problem, right? Obviously, you have to define the problem. And yes, but that would lead only when you identify that yes, that's a problem now. People understand the problem when it goes beyond the limits. Then people understand. So at the early moment only you should try to understand that that is a problem or not. And I already said it's a practice. It's like your thinking skills, analytical skills you have to develop for the same. It means you have to not study or any you have to do like mental labor or something like that. Just calm down yourself, have peaceful mind, and then everything goes well. And try to ask questions to yourself. Am I doing this? Is this a problem or a solution? Is this a problem at this point? Will this problem in future be the greatest failure of yours? At the present moment, when you find something weird, at that time only you should ask a question and define it. Explore different things. Explore different things. Okay, explore means gather every fact. But the problem? Never ever guess. Never ever guess. Yeah, sometimes your intuition can help you out, but never ever guess. There's a lot more difference between guessing and intuition. So gather every fact with the problem. Then you have to what? Action. What you have to do? Already define the problem. Action you have to take. Implement the plan and observe the change. Okay, implement the plan and observe the change. Look back. Now you have found the solution. You are finding the solution, and this solution which you got now, what's the difference between this one and the previous one? That's what. Look back. And yes, got a solution. You have taken the rec on your problem. Whenever a problem comes, one advice would be, people what they do, they just start getting into the fearful imaginations, or some YouTube, they start something to do waste the time. For that moment you'll find it a pleasure moment, but after that you'll just regret. Yes, you'll just regret. Don't do it. So already it's time lacking. You have to prioritize your time. Okay, you have to forget everything in the past and focus right now, because you've already gathered the solution. Implement it and never procrastinate yourself. Okay, तो यस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करने के बाद ही तो प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन निकलेगा. नहीं तो सभी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन निकालते थे, राइट? So yes, brainstorming is really very very important and very important skill of problem solving. I mean part of the problem solving skill. Then strategize yourself. Strategize the problem with the solutions. And yes, you got the solution. You are done. You are the one who did. Yeah. That was quite funny. But yes, I know those who are watching this, maybe they are in the problem, most of them. So, to make them laugh, to feel happy, I did it so. And yes, what's more? Yes, one more thing. What I want to say is, problem if you got. Like you, if I say you, I'm giving you a topic. Let's say pollution, that's it. And I say I'm giving you one day, you have to find out all the possible solutions which will reduce the pollution in the society, in the world, in the country. What are the solutions? And I said I don't want that bookish sort of solutions. Do like this, people will also change because of you. Although people are not changing, I don't want that. I want perfect, your ability to think skill, solution oriented. That one I want. While yes, you're gonna think, and I'm 101% sure you'll come up with so ideas, so great as you have never ever thought in you. No one has never ever thought in your life. So if like this comes, but you did it because that was a problem, right? And you got a solution. Like Elon Musk, he was also the same one. He thought that energy should be used instead of fuels and all, because they are like day by day next generation would not be able to use it. He thought of the problem, he created the problem. No one emphasized that problem, right? No one was so much in that, so everyone was lenient to it. But he emphasized on that problem, and today you see at what position he is. Not in position, but at what position he has taken the world and made the world better. That's what the thing is. You have to be in that. But for that, he not only means what I said. that he just sat in the sofa and was looking here and there, seeing something to freshen up and all those. No, thought. Even though his head was into that, I will say headache position, but still he did it. That's what your he had taken his wreck upon that problem, and that what you should also do. Should also do. क्या है प्रॉब्लम? बैठो एक जगह पे, पेपर पे लिखो. अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, पेपर पे लिखो क्या तुमने किया, क्या कर रहे हो, what you can do to implement on it. That's it. You'll get the solution automatically. Every problem has a solution, and this is not only just for saying. Really, it has a solution. So yes, you all are unique, and you should go for it. All the best, everyone. But here's the twist. And what's that? Basically, the twist goes in the way that how problem solving is connected with the decision making. Now, in problem solving, obviously, the decision making skill is really very important, because if you will not make the right decision, the problem will obviously go wrong, right? So yes, decision making is a very important skill. Decision is like a base for problem solving, right? Don't you think? If I say 10th is the most important and hardest exam, then boards, then just saying it, okay? Don't take it into so much that you'll feel demotivated, demoralized. No worries. Everything is easy if you do it. Yeah. So if I say in the way, let's take a hold on that previous example, for instance. And now the thing is, I say for that exam you have to just be prepared for your 8, 9 curriculum. Then that exam would be easiest one, right? So that 8, 9 is your decision making, and problem solving is the 10th board. I just compared it. Don't take it into practical life. Yes, the 10th board is not that tough as you are thinking if you do it. And it's not always necessary 8, 9 is required for it. Knowledge is knowledge. Anytime you can gain it. Anytime, at any instant, at any moment, at any point of time. So yes, this was all. Better luck, good luck for your new journey. All the best, guys.